Well, guys, I'm on the Allure of the Seas, and I'm fixing to take you on a little walking tour through the solarium. It's a port day, so there shouldn't be many people in here, so let's go check it out. When you come into the solarium, there's a big, nice hot tub on each side before you go in the door. Here is the Samba Grill. It's a Brazilian steakhouse. Like a lot of places to lounge. It's set. We got some hot tubs in here. Here's the pool. It's not real big, but they do have a pool up here. Before we go on around, I'm going to walk outside here. You can go out. They got a place you can lay out and look over the front of the ship. Like a lot of nice seating out here. We're docked in Rotan today, so it's kind of what you're seeing in the background. Walking around, we'll look out the front. I don't want to disturb anybody. We got some glass up here, kind of helps block the wind. There's the helipad down below us. Walk over here and we'll look over Cox and Hole Rotan while I'm up here. Well, there's a shot of the port in Cox and Hole Rotan, Honduras from the solarium. Let's go back in. We'll check out the other side, then we'll go up on the deck above us and look down. They got another hot tub over on this side and some nice places to sit. I'm not going to go out, but there's another hot tub right here on this other side. Looks just like the one where I came in. I want to go up these stairs and let you look down over it. A lot of places to sit in the shade up here if you don't like being out in the sun. They've also got a bar up here. Walk out here and we'll overlook the pool. Pretty nice area right here if you've got a group. I'll kind of give you 180 degrees. There's the hot tub seating. There's what just come from out front. There's the pool. Got some mister inside it. And there's the other hot tub over there. So. That's pretty much what the solarium looks like. This is an adults only area, so if you want to get away from the kids, this is the place to come. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the solarium here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos coming up on the end screen. Until next time, happy cruising.